What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. In this video, well, based on the title, I'm going to be telling you exactly why you should stop meaningless advertising, because advertising as you know it doesn't work. And chances are, if you're spending your marketing budget on advertising, you're wasting your money. So if you want to learn exactly what you need to be doing with your marketing spend besides advertising, then make sure you watch this entire video. Hey guys, welcome back. So before I get started, thank you so much once again for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time here, my name is Kurt Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and grow a business using the internet. So if you want to learn exactly how you can do that for yourself, I highly recommend you get subscribed to my channel by clicking the red button just below my video. Okay, with that said, let me dive right into it and talk to you about why you should stop advertising and show you exactly what you should be doing instead if you want to grow your business. The first thing I want you to understand is that marketing and advertising are not the same things. Advertising is one component of marketing, but for some people, advertising is their entire marketing campaign. These people that think advertising is marketing are the people that should stop advertising immediately, as they're wasting their money, because chances are they're not generating any leads and they're not making any sales. And as you guys know, without sales, you have no business. But more about that later. Similar to many young entrepreneurs, when I was just starting out online, I erroneously thought that if I had a good product and I advertised enough on social media, I would have been able to generate enough leads and sales to actually grow my business. But I soon found out that that was not the case. So to help you guys understand exactly why you should stop advertising, I'm going to be sharing 3 facts that once you fully grasp these 3 facts, you'll know exactly why advertising sucks, and then I'm going to be talking to you about what you should be doing instead to grow your business. So fact number 1, advertising is just one component of marketing. Yes, I said that earlier, but I just wanted to reiterate it here as it's a fact that you must understand. Advertising is just one component of marketing. It should not be your entire marketing campaign. Fact number 2 is that advertising should be used to amplify your marketing message. It should not be your marketing message by itself. And the third fact is that advertising as a standalone component is very ineffective. Now let me dive into it and talk to you guys about what you should be doing instead of wasting your money on advertising. The answer is marketing. Marketing works. Advertising as a standalone component of marketing sucks. So you have to figure out exactly how to get advertising to be a part of your entire marketing campaign. Remember now, marketing is the process of creating relationships and satisfying your customers. Advertising is just a component that allows you to amplify your message to reach more people that you can form relationships with to turn into customers. See the difference? Advertising is not marketing. So if you're using advertising as your entire marketing campaign right now, you need to make sure that you stop doing that and stop wasting your money and create a good marketing campaign to help you to grow your business. So now that you fully understand the difference between advertising and marketing and why advertising as a standalone campaign is very ineffective and why you should stop advertising if your advertisement is not a part of your marketing campaign, here's how to create an effective marketing campaign that incorporates advertising. So I'm going to be walking you through 3 steps that's going to help you to create a better marketing campaign for your business. That's going to help you to actually grow your business to the point that you want to take your business to. So step number 1 is to create content. Yes, there is no other way to actually have a very good marketing campaign and to reach new people without creating content. You have to be creating content. Content is the gateway to actually reaching new people, and you have to be able to reach people before you can actually generate leads that you can actually convert into paying customers. Advertising fits into this perfectly, as advertising is a way for you to amplify the content that you've created. So let's use a practical example. Let's say, for example, you are creating content on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or Medium or Snapchat. Using advertisement is a way to propel that content to reach more people and give you the ability to actually generate more leads that you can eventually convert into more paying customers. The second step in creating an effective marketing campaign that seamlessly and effectively incorporates advertising is when you're nurturing your leads. Yes, you have to nurture your leads. It's one of the steps in the process of actually acquiring customers for your business. And remember earlier when I was explaining and giving you guys the definition for marketing, I mentioned that marketing is the process of actually building relationships, and lead nurturing is very important in building relationships with your potential clients. So how does advertising incorporate in this effectively? Well, you can use advertisement once again to help you to amplify your new message when you're nurturing your leads to reach these people that you reached before. So that is how advertising is once again effective and should be used as a part of your overall marketing campaign. So once again, make sure you're not just spending money on advertising trying to get sales for your business, but you're using advertisement to help you to actually create and have an effective marketing campaign. The third and final step in this process of creating an effective marketing campaign that seamlessly and effectively incorporates advertising is when you're trying to convert your leads into paying customers. So converting your leads into paying customers is your ultimate goal, as once again, without having paying customers for your business, you will not have any revenue, and without revenue, you will not be able to sustain your business. So you have to be converting leads into customers. And using advertisement once again to help you to do this is very effective. So using advertisement is a great way to create retargeting campaigns, and retargeting campaigns is one of the most effective ways to convert leads into paying customers. So you have to figure out how to use advertising to create retargeting campaign, and this is how advertisement is very effective when you're trying to convert leads into paying customers. So there you have it, guys. That is how you go about using advertisement in your marketing campaign to help you to actually grow your business, to generate more sales, and to scale your business to the levels that you want to get your business. So in this video, what I've done for you guys is I've really explained the differences between advertising and marketing, and I've broken it down for you to show you why most businesses fail because they're spending too much time and focus and energy on advertising as opposed to spending that on marketing. So I really do hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Maybe you just want to say thank you, hop in the comments and say thank you. It really motivates me to continue doing these videos for you guys. Also, make sure you share this video with someone who's struggling to grow their business online. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because just like this video packed with value, I have another amazing video coming out in a few days, and trust me, you don't want to miss that video. So to ensure that you don't miss my next video, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel by clicking the red button just below my video. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.